good afternoon, and happy holidays. What I'm trying to do is the application that I was building, this end-to-end chat encryption application. So I was just kind of researching between Telegram and Signal, like why the the Signal protocol is safer than the Telegram protocol. So I'm doing that. Uh, there was Hugging Face open for a while. I want to use a couple of models today and see if I can locally run some of them. Not some of them, only one, and then train it on some psychological data and kind of create a small demo application just to test that I can use it for like therapy. Although ChatGPT does already, but I just want, because I have a lot of data related to psychology, and I wanted to just tinker because of technology. You give me anything for with technology, I'm gonna fucking tinker with that as well. So yeah, this is what is happening. I'm constantly writing this application. I tend to finish this by today, but then this is just the backend that I'm working on. I have already wrote all the code for the controllers. Now I'm at middleware, but then comes the front end where I'm using Next.js or maybe React, and also tend to design UI, a user interface for this application on Figma. So I think so it's gonna take some time, if not today, but by tomorrow this project will be done, up and running on AWS. I have my instance open here, and I was actually trying to learn how do you do it on how to install WordPress in it. But yeah, I'll start with learning WordPress, but then also install my application on AWS, one of the best. And then there is my server PC with a mouse and a keyboard to control everything. And I've also installed a monitor out there. Let me show you. See, there. Some losers out there, I think they're still burning crackers. The value fever haven't gone yet. It's actually stupid. So I am currently I was trying to learn how you map MIDIs from the OSC to because I'm already using Touch OSC through this phone, the Android phone. It's a Note 9 gifted by my ex, and I have mapped all of my controlling from Touch OSC to Tractor Pro 4 that I use to mix and DJing. But I was also keen to learn how OSC Pilot works because I also have OSC Pilot. I use the keyboard and this thing, the mouse, because my system is not touch screen. So yeah, I am waiting for OSC Pilot to get released for Android as well, or like I'm gonna move to iOS very soon. Anyways, so yeah, that is that is what's going on. Am I still sleepy? Kind of I am, but I'm not gonna sleep because I have to work. I woke up around like 6. Not even 6, like I think 5:30 I woke up. And since then I've been working. I had to go and visit the clinic once, and came back from there, had my breakfast. Now this is what I'm doing, and in a while I'll play a set, a practice set, or whatever you call it. And yeah, basically Monday is this. Tomorrow onwards my office, like I have to go to work. So I thought that I would finish this application by today, But then comes the front end of it, because I just don't want an application to run on a terminal. I just want it to completely run with a cool front end that you can use on your phone. I was trying to inlog Flutter in it, and I'll be using Flutter with React Native. So let's see where the app goes. But for right now, I'm writing the back end of it. Middleware is where I am. Controllers I have all managed to write, and there's no errors and bugs. Fixed all of them, whatever they were. So yeah, now let's just work on this. I don't want. Close all. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and then there is a track of mine which is almost ready, like even mix and mastered halfway through. So that is also what I have to do. But yeah, that's Monday for me, and that's every day for me. I don't. I just wanted you to see my wallpaper. Dream until it's your reality. My saying is dream and execute until it's your reality, because without execution, dreams are just a waste of time, even in your sleep. Time is the only commodity that you cannot buy with money. You can buy anything, but you can't buy time. That I have learned the very hard way. So I just don't waste time. If I have to gulp down 5 of these, I can do that, but I'm no more wasting time, because I was a professional time waster, by the way. I used to be, and then now at 30, something hit me like very violently. My late adulthood, and I entered very violently to my 30s, which is being a man, and I won't suggest anyone to go to the route where I spent most of my teenies to late adulthood. But growth can happen anytime, and that is what my purpose is now. I have wasted a lot of opportunities. I have wasted a lot of stuff that were like silver plattered on me. But now, no. I just work, 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 work. That's it. I've had enough of partying. I've had enough of. I have enough of fake friendship, snakes all around me, relationships, and whatever. So I just spend my time coding and reading books, listening to music, making music, things that help me grow. So I think that's all for now. And as usually, I'll be keeping updating. But I'm really sorry if I'm a little grumpy. I am sleepy. This thing works, but this is not like the. I don't know. I mean, maybe it is not Red Bull. This is hell like another brand. Um, and it's a classic energy drink, by the way. But yeah, I don't find that level of energy. Maybe I'm used to some different substance which I don't take anymore, but I used to. It was that movie Limitless, and everyone was trying to biohack. So started taking modafinil. So I also took modafinil for a while, and it does help in concentration and focus. But like any other drug or medicine, it is very addictive. Modafinil is actually for patients who are suffering from narcolepsy. Narcolepsy is a kind of disease where you just can't stay awake. You're just, falling off to sleep even in the mornings. It's a disease, and just like in the West, like kids, college kids and even people who just want to get high, they use Adderall and Ritalin, which are ADHD medications. Um, so Ritalin and Adderall is not available here. People used to take modafinil 100 milligrams, 200 milligrams, and I did. But at one point of time, I thought, no, I mean, I already have a lot of prescribed medications. I shouldn't be taking something without the the consultation of a doctor, uh, someone else, a therapist. So I stopped taking it altogether. And I also, due to my work, like I have started um, being awake at night, and that's when the world is all silent around you. You have a very spacious environment, and you work. So yeah, that is all for now, and I'll be coming back soon. I think by then I'll already be on the front end, so which is the priority right now. Take care, everyone. I'll be coming back really soon. Really soon. Happy holidays again.